Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm so excited to show you around this absolutely beautiful home here in Bow, New Hampshire, a place where privacy, peace, and pristine views all come together in one perfect package. We're touring 146 Woodhill Hooksett Road, and from the moment you arrive, you can just feel how special this property is. Take a look around. Surrounded by nature, this home sits in a peaceful setting where you can truly unwind, enjoy the fresh air, and still be close to everything you need. Now, as we step inside, you're immediately welcomed by this bright sitting area with cathedral ceilings and skylights that just pour sunlight into the space. It feels so open, airy, and inviting, the kind of place you instantly feel at home in. As we move into the main living area, notice the gleaming hardwood floors and the cozy yet spacious layout, perfect for relaxing after a long day or hosting friends and family. And right off that space, you've got a kitchen that's as functional as it is welcoming. It features newer appliances, plenty of counter space, and a large dining area that's perfect for gathering. Slide open those glass doors and wow, look at that view! A spacious deck stretches out behind the home, offering a front row seat to nature. Whether it's morning coffee, weekend barbecues, or evening sunsets, this deck will become one of your favorite spots. And just beyond it, walking trails and conservation land, giving you endless opportunities to explore right from your backyard. Back inside, the main level offers 3 generously sized bedrooms and a full bathroom, all beautifully maintained and filled with natural light. Head downstairs and you'll find a partially finished basement, complete with a 3/4 bath and 2 additional bonus bedrooms that give you plenty of flexibility for guests, a home office, or even a studio. And before we wrap up, let's not forget this massive, detached, heated 2-car garage. It's perfect for your vehicles, a workshop, or extra storage. If you've been dreaming of New Hampshire living with space, views, and tranquility, this home is the one to see. Every corner radiates comfort, warmth, and the beauty of nature.